and welcome to my channel. I'm Nuria. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a one-to-many relationship between two tables in Microsoft Access. Stick around. Click on Database Tools, then Relationship. On the right panel I have the list of tables. Drag and add them onto the middle area. Now I want one-to-many relationship between the shop table and customer, so I look for the common key. Drag a line from here and drop it onto the second table. This window pops up showing us that we are creating one-to-many relationship. I will click on create to end the process of creating a one-to-many relationship. That's it. Then you save the relationship. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to my channel.